Hey guys, I ordered a couple manga. Like this one and this one, but the one I was most excited about is this Chainsaw Man one. Look at this bad boy. Box. This box is excellent. It's got a handle. Now, I think I'm gonna open it. I have to cut it. Oh, good thing I have my third arm. Alright, I got it. I got it out. Let's see. It's got the Velcro connecting. It's nice. Ooh, look at that. There's the gold. Alright, so first, we got volume 1. It's a very thick volumes, which makes sense. Look at that. Dude, he's just like me. Then this power, more freak. But you see it's art, dude. Her. Put our name. It's nice. Aki. It's probably not how you pronounce it. Or Chainsaw. Okay, Katana Man. Riz. Oh, it's nice. Rizzy. That was a different one, but I guess it's that one. I don't know her. It's too far for me. I don't know her either. Whoa. More booty cheeks. Crazy. Ha ha ha. Makima. And then this one. Oh, that's one of my profile picture. Then we have this poster. 1 second. Koji. Alright. Bye.